wayfaring stranger, traveling through this world of woe, and there's no sickness, toil nor danger in that bright land to which I go. I'm going there.
What's your name? Sean. Sean, who is God?
God is a belief that people believe in, that He created the earth, I think. I don't know.
Who is Jesus?
His son.
What happens after you die?
You're reincarnated, I think.
Over Jordan, I'm only going.
What's your name?
Muhammad.
Muhammad, who is God?
God of all of us.
Who is Jesus?
Jesus is a prophet from God.
What happens after you die?
We go to the heaven or to the hell. It depends about your deed.
Rough and steep, but golden fields lie out before me, where all the saints their vigils keep, and I'm going there.
What's your name?
Zach.
What do you believe about God, Zach?
I have no idea.
Who is Jesus, Zach?
God's son.
What happens after you die?
Go to heaven.
Over Jordan, I'm only going over home. I want to wear that crown of glory